I thought, because I was thinking about, we're trying to get topics and shit like that for the first show. You know what I'm saying? It's the very first show. I'm just thinking, why not keep
Still a Show presents Josh Snoring.
Look at him. Rough ass feet. Chopping some stone on them hoes. Some starters. Yeah. It's somebody else's house. Boo nose ass. Sleeping good. Dreaming.
This nigga's comfortable as hell.
This nigga nose gotta hurt when you wake up. You snore harder than a bitch. That shit don't hurt? You can't see.
There you have it, folks. Josh Chapman.
Out of there.
Fucked up. Iron Man. That's his nickname.
The first one.
The first suit, that first motherfucker coming out the cage, that's him. He ain't the real Iron Man. He that replica.
The prototype.